Who's that?
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? CO2 keeps increasing. It's not the sun's doing, the weather's not cooling. Soon there'll be no winter wonderland. Rising oceans are a downside. Here to stay is the high tide. By 6 meters it'll rise, it'll be no surprise. Florida's now an underwater land. In Atlanta we can build a snowman, but we'll definitely get a tan, because by 2 to 4 degrees will go up, man. Soon there'll be no winter wonderland. Later on, we'll conspire as we sweat by the fire to face unafraid all the CO2 that we made. Soon there'll be no winter wonderland. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? CO2 keeps increasing. It's not the sun's doing, the weather's not cooling. Soon there'll be no winter wonderland.